The third way I wish you can make money is when you have decided to put people and systems in place to help you make money. This is being a business owner or an entrepreneur. By definition, an entrepreneur is an individual who creates and operates a new business, taking on most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. This comes with its own benefits as well. Lifestyle independence, a personal growth, being your own boss. There is some personal fulfillment, there's a financial reward, flexibility of hours, you can follow your own passion. However, on the downside, there is more responsibility that comes with this. Sometimes you have to take your work home with you. There is a lot of time commitment. Because you are mainly in charge, you have to be able to do multiple jobs. The work-life balance tends to be very challenging. A financial instability, there's continuous pressure to expand and grow the business.